Froggy here. Putting together a new desktop computer, and my old one is like right there, and I just bought that from Costco, and this new one is all components. So you buy the case separate, power supply, motherboard, the chip, the memory, all that stuff is separate. So my son's helping me, and we're screwing it together right now, and I'll give you a few shots here and there as we go along. I'm not going to try, this is not do-it-yourself on how to put together a computer. This is going to be just a few videos of mine going together. Hey, we were able to get an older version of Windows 7, which is upgradable to 10, I guess, now for free. And we're loading Windows now, and lights are coming on, and hard drives and DVR drives are spinning, and everything's looking pretty good. We got two blue lights down there, which is good. And this is called a horizontal form case instead of a vertical form case, because the vertical one wouldn't fit underneath my desk here, underneath my office furniture, so we went with a horizontal. That's pretty good. Okay, we're back, and the computer is running, but we got to delete the onboard drivers for the onboard video, so we can put a special video graphics card in. We're done building. I'm going to get a different screen, a different monitor. That's just an old monitor that we hooked up to test it out. There's no computer. Oh boy, well, the specifications. It's got a terabyte hard drive. It's got a separate Radeon video card, 8 gigabytes of the latest memory, DVR, burner, reader, everything there. USB 3.0 ports all the way around. So it should last me 3, 4, 5 years probably. Anyway, just showing you that, not showing you how to build it, because there's probably a lot better videos out there than what I would have done on building it, but it's not that hard to put together. Once you've done, like, the first one's probably going to take you a while, but then once you built one, not too bad, and you get pretty much higher quality components all the way around than buying one that's already built and put together from HP or whoever else is building them these days, Acer, Dell, whatever. Anyway, try it, build your own, and give me a thumbs up or like if this is any use to you. Click on subscribe if you want more from Froggy. See you later, guys and gals. Froggy out. Bye-bye.